All right, this video will be how to solfege on the staff. It's based off of our last video, major and relative minor. If that video doesn't make sense to you, video number 1, this video will make less sense. But if you understand that, this will be one of the easier videos. This is just a very short skill you need to develop to make things make sense to you. All right, so in major, we assume do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. It can go up more than one octave. It can go down more than one octave. That's why I put ti below and re above, just to get used to going up and down. When you determine that the key signature is minor, it's going to be me, le, and te automatically. Assumed. That's what the minor key signature does automatically. When writing music, though, especially dominant function chords, you're going to need to raise te to a T with an accidental. But if there's no accidental, we assume it's te. So I'm going to have you actually say te for it or sing te. So let's look, for example, at our first one here. So I have one flat. If I figure out that the music is in major, there's no raised T to D, which is if it was do, if it was minor, I'd see C sharps. If there's no C sharp in my music, then I assume I'm in F major. Now do is set at F. From there, I can go up or down to get solfege. You just want to practice, be able to smoothly go up and down. Do, it doesn't even matter which one you sing. Like, I'm probably gonna pick like a B, just to make it easy for my voice. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Usually in my experience, I found that it's harder for students to go down in solfege than up. So practice going down as well. Do, ti, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Ti, do, re, mi, re, do. And just experiment, play around with it. Remember, it's space, line, don't skip. Now, what if I determine that this music is in D minor? Do, ti, la, relative minor. There's do. T is right there. There's C sharps in the music. So, if I'm gonna figure out my solfege, I'm just gonna think me, le, and te, and I'll know to draw a sharp if I need it for T. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, le, te, do, re, te, le, sol, fa, mi, re, do, te, do, re, mi, re, do. I would practice improvising just up and down. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Let's go to another key. Now, I don't really care where I'm singing it right now. I'm just putting it comfortable in my voice. I'm singing it as if B is just do. I just picked that randomly. I mean, I could, to be more advanced, move do to where it actually is and give myself the pitch. But I don't care about that right now. All right, here is 2 sharps. If I determine my music is in D major, do is at D. The name of the scale is where do is. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. And minor, do, I'm kind of higher. Do, te, le, sol, fa, mi, fa, sol, le, te, do, re, mi, fa, sol. Got a little high there. Okay, so that's how you solfege up and down. For this skill, I would expect that you could start anywhere, pick a do out of the air. I don't care what the do is. Assume I'm in major right now. I'd say, what's this key in major? You'll have to figure out what key it's in. Once you figure out, that's the last video, is how to get what key is. It's basically where's do, and am I using major or minor? And here we go. Suppose I said I'm in major. Do is there. And now I can get the solfege of any note. Like suppose I wanted to name the solfege of this note. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi. And that note would be a mi. Suppose I want to know what this note was down there. Do, te, le, sol, fa. To identify the solfege of any note and be able to find it quickly. All right, you got to be kind of quick at this skill for it to make sense to you. I'm going to want some speed on this, because this just leads to other things that we're going to do when we're analyzing harmony and melody. All right, I hope this was clear enough.